Still Got the Blues starts on the 14th fret of the G string. We're then going to go 15, 17 on the B string, and then we're going to bend that 17th fret up half a step. So to make it sound like the 18th fret. Now you might find that a bit tricky to bend up with pinky. What you could do is use your first finger, second finger, and then third finger for the 17. So you've got a little bit of a stretch there. Or you could use first finger of both those frets. So there's a few ways of doing it. Whichever finger obviously feels most comfortable for you. So we've got the 14, 15, 17 bend. He then adds vibrato on the bend, which again might be quite tricky using the pinky finger. Then he bends up again, plays a 17 down, and then 15, and slides off. So that's the first phrase. So that's phrase 1. Phrase 2, 13 on the B, 15 on the B, and then bending up the 15 again with the vibrato on, then bends up a second time, drops it, plays a 13, and slides off. So that's the second phrase. One more time. So if we put the first two phrases together, the next phrase is at fret 10 on the B string, 12, 13 on the B string, so I'll probably use fingers 1, 3 and 4 there. And then we're going to bend up the 13. Again, adding vibrato, then bending up a second time, dropping, and then 12 on the B string. So that's third phrase. Then we've got a rake, which means we're going to drag the pick across the G and B string, but we're muting the strings, and then catching that top E at fret 5. And then 8 on the B string. And then bending up the 8, and when you hear the record, he bends up slowly, and he doesn't really dig in too much, it's quite a quiet bend. And that's phrase number 4. So one more time, all 4 phrases. We've got phrase 1 at the 14th fret. Phrase 2, the 13, 15. Phrase 3 at 10. And then phrase 4. And there we go, all 4 phrases. So really cool little intro to the song. Tricky thing is going to be obviously the vibrato. That's what gives it, you know, that extra kind of secret sauce, if you like. That's what makes it sound really cool. So it might take a while to get used to, but it does sound awesome. So there we go. There is Still Got the Blues.